Okay, this is a video snippet of something I've made. It is a battery boot. It's an updated version of one I've done previously. And it's for 4.0, 3.0, and 6.0 M12 batteries. And yeah, just stick. What I've changed from the previous version is the plastic overlaps, so I can be able to just do this with 2 screws instead of 4. Just got to be careful when you put it on. It's you just want it hand tight. It's just going into brass inserts. They're only M3 bolts, but you're not going to have much, force that you got to really keep against on the sides as much as you're going that way. Anyway, yeah, I've tried this out. I've dropped it several times just to see. Yep, seems to work.